The moment you start talking to someone on the phone, do you get nervous at all? Are you in a career that requires you to smile and dial? In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 things you can do to master your prospecting skills. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, if you're new to my channel, my name is Ben Pai Champagne. I am a realtor in San Gabriel Valley, California. By the way, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I go by Ben, your agent. There is no doubt that prospecting is the biggest way of getting business, especially if you're new. I learned this tip and tricks this week and how I can be able to book a few appointments this week along with getting a few new clients. You don't need tons of hours, you just need to be effective with the time you have. So here are our top 5 things you can do to master prospecting. Number 1, speak to people who are only qualified. Find out the median price point for the home they're interested in the area and see how much they have to qualify for a loan. Number 2, don't waste your energy on people who tell you they aren't interested or not ready to do it right away. And get their contact information to follow up with them, especially their email. You can put that email into a drip campaign and have them automated and let the system follow up for you. But for the hot ones, you definitely want to contact them every single day and follow up with them as much as you can through a call, a text, and a video. Number 3, you are the expert. Speak with confidence and make the right decision that's good for them. With me, I have to continue to practice role playing and learn my presentation so that when I'm speaking to someone either on the phone or in person, they know I'm an expert. Number 4, always, if possible, schedule a strategy session. This goes hand in hand with, even meeting people for the first time. If you're doing a Zillow lead or any type of Facebook ad and you meet them for the first time, make sure you schedule a strategy session to get to know them. Same thing with sellers as well. Or even if you have a cold calling job, just make sure that there's a actual appointment scheduled for the next thing for them to do. And last but not least, remember, this is a numbers game. We are in sales, and sales is about numbers. You talk to 100 people, maybe you get 10 people that you contact and 1 you schedule. So don't give up. If you follow these 5 tips, I promise you and to myself, we will be successful this year. If you enjoy this content, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you for all my subscribers, and I will see you on the next video. Yahweh bless you. Take care.